Okay, this is Science Unit 14 review. Unit 14 is about the modern age. The modern age began with the discovery of the American continent in 1492 and ended with the French Revolution in 1789. So during the 15th and 16th centuries, which means during the 1400s and 1500s, many geographic discoveries took place. So we're going to review some of the geographic discoveries. All right, looking at the map, which is the same one that you have in the book, in the area that is green, right here, you can see that this is what we would call the known world from the point of view of Europeans. The red line that you see here is the route that Christopher Columbus took when he went to the Americas, like this. The route that you can see in red is the trip that Ferdinand Magellan and Juan Sebastián Elcano took when they first circumnavigated the world, which means that they went all the way around the world. Okay, the next thing we're going to review are some of the major scientific discoveries that happened. So remember, two of the major scientific discoveries that happened were made by Copernicus and Leonardo da Vinci. On the left, you can see in this picture Copernicus's theory that said that the sun was at the center of our solar system and that the planets revolved around the sun. On the right-hand side, you can see drawings by Leonardo da Vinci, who was a famous artist, but also a famous scientist and inventor. Leonardo da Vinci designed many unusual machines, but he didn't build all of his creations. Okay, the next picture we're going to look at to review are some of the important monarchs of the modern age. In Spain, the modern age began with the reign of the Catholic kings, Isabel I of Castilla and Fernando II of Aragon. These are the Catholic kings on this picture. Okay. During the Habsburg dynasty, Spain became the center of an enormous international empire. The empire included territories in Europe, Asia, Africa, and America. Okay. Felipe II, who you can see in this picture, was one of the Habsburg kings. Next, in the third picture, you see Carlos III, who is part of the Bourbon dynasty. Okay, next to review, we're going to go to the revise and organize outline that you have in your book on page 174. Okay, so that you can review some of the pronunciation. We're going to fill in the outline and I'm going to read the different parts. So, the modern age. The different themes that we studied in the modern age unit are economy, society, politics, science, religion, and art. Under economy. Economy is the expansion of commerce and the start of industrialization. Some important changes we see in society are the appearance of the burghers as a new social group. In politics, these are some of the important themes. Strong, unified states with an organized administration. In science, important developments in physics, mathematics, astronomy, and medicine. In religion, the division of Christians into Catholics and Protestants, with important changes in the Catholic Church. And finally, in art, 3 new artistic styles: Renaissance, Baroque, and Neoclassical. Okay, in the next part, we're going to review Spanish monarchs in the modern age. The Catholic kings Fernando II and Isabel I. Later, the Habsburg dynasty. In the 16th century, Carlos I and Felipe II. In the 17th century, Felipe III, Felipe IV, and Carlos II. Finally, the Bourbon dynasty, beginning with Fernando V, followed by Fernando VI and Carlos III. Okay, now we're going to go to the sentences that are below the outline, and we're going to complete the sentences. Copy and complete the sentences with the following words: art, Baroque, Carlos III, Castilla, dramatic, Enlightenment, golden, Michelangelo, modernize, reason, Renaissance, and united. Letter A. The 18th century is often called the Enlightenment or the Age of Reason. Letter B. The Catholic kings united the two kingdoms of Castilla and Aragon. Letter C. Carlos III started many projects to modernize Spain when he was king.